Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make an overlay effect inside Adobe Premiere. So without further ado, let's get started. So now we're in Adobe Premiere, guys, and here we have a couple of videos that I'm going to be doing this tutorial on. And the first thing that we are going to do is to create a new sequence for our video. And the way to do that is to right click right here on this panel and then go to new item and then go to sequence. And then you go to digital SLR and then 1080 and then 1080 24 frames per second. And then if you want to name it, I'll just name it overlay, and you just press OK right here. And now we have created our sequence. And what we will do is I'll first start with the old video kind of look. I'll just zoom in a little bit here and you can take a look at this video. It's an old house, so I'll just try to make it look more old than it already looks. And the way to do that, we have an overlay of a video that you can download from YouTube, or like you can download a whole package of overlays. I personally have like a package of more than 100 overlay videos, so if you're interested you can just comment below and I will send them to you. So now that we have our overlay layer above our video, what we are going to do is just click on it and then go ahead right here to effect controls, and then you're going to go down to opacity, and from this panel you will be able to make the overlay appears on the video. So the first thing that we are going to do is we're going to go to the blend mode right here and we're going to play with it. So I always choose screen when I have an overlay that it's a black and white color, because it works perfectly on the screen blend mode. But if you have an overlay that is with colors or something else, you have to play with these modes until you find the right one for the right overlay. So now let's check how it looks. So it looks nice. So what you can do is you can play with the opacity of the overlay layer and you can bring it down to 70. So it depends on what you like, and you just keep checking until you will be satisfied with your results. And if you think that it's and I think it's a little bit like too fast, like these kind of things that pops up, so I can maybe like make the duration of the video, slow it down to 80% for example, and let's see. It looks nicer this way. And you also need to make it to the end of the layer. So what you can do is you can duplicate the overlay layer to fit the whole video. The way to do that is, let me first zoom out a little bit and then just press Alt on the keyboard and click and drag the layer. And now we have another layer of this video that fits our composition, and we can just delete it here. And now we have the overlay for the whole video that we have. And now we can do the other video that I have, which is a beautiful aerial shot of this snow mountain. So I wanted to make it look like it's snowing, and I have here another snow overlay right here. And now we have in this overlay like it's too long, so we need to cut it. So we just press C on the keyboard and cut, and then select and delete. And now we have our overlay for the whole duration of our video. And we can just do the same process as we did for the previous one and go to the effect controls and then look for opacity, and then you just go to screen, and now we can look on how it looks. So it looks nice, but I think it needs to be less opacity, so we can bring it down to 60, let's say, and let's see how it looks now. That looks amazing. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I would really appreciate it if you can smash that like button for me, and I will see you in the next video.